In this video, I'll show you how to use Quick Brush in CapCut. First, open the CapCut app on your phone and tap New Project. Choose the video or photo you want to edit, then tap Add to place it on the timeline. Quick Brush is usually used to quickly select or mark part of your image or video. Depending on your CapCut version, you may find it inside tools like Cutout, Remove Background, Retouch, Effects, or an AI editing section. Start by tapping the clip on the timeline to select it. Then look through the bottom toolbar and find the feature where Quick Brush is available. If you are working with a person, object, or background, try opening Cutout or Remove Background first. Once you see Quick Brush, tap it. Now use your finger to brush over the area you want CapCut to detect or select. For example, you can brush over a person, product, face, object, or any part of the frame you want to separate or edit. After brushing, CapCut will try to recognize the selected area automatically. If it selects too much, use the Erase or Remove Brush option to clean up the edges. If it misses something, brush over that part again until the selection looks correct. Zoom in on the preview if you need more accuracy. This helps when working around hair, hands, small objects, or detailed edges. Once the selected area looks good, apply the edit you want. You may be able to remove the background, blur the background, add effects only to one area, or create a cutout style look. After applying the quick brush edit, play the video and check if the selection stays clean throughout the clip. If needed, adjust the brush again or split the clip into smaller parts for better results. When everything looks good, tap Export in the top right corner. Choose your preferred video quality, then save the finished video to your device. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.